Hello. So it's gonna be a shitty day tomorrow. Cause there's been a volcano eruption near my town. We're expecting toxic fumes. Isn't it creepy? It's so creepy. Yeah, but anyways, I can't even open my window. But I'll be stuck inside, few days maybe. So yeah, I can't even open my window. I'm just sweating like balls. And this is really weird. Here I am, talking to my phone. Yeah. But anyways, I just want to let you know there will be a lot of uploads tomorrow. Since I'll be alone. Yeah. But anyways, I hope you aren't having a shitty day. Yeah. Can you see me? I'm not sure. I'll look over the footage. Maybe when I'm done. Yeah, I'm not even lying. But anyways, I just wanted to. I have actually 2 subscribers. Actually, didn't imagine I would get subscribers. I only made this channel to mess around. So yeah, to my 2 subscribers, I just wanna say thank you, and that one viewer I had, I just wanna say thank you to him too. So yeah, if you're new to my channel, check out my other videos. They're kinda hilarious. But anyways, I'm gonna go ahead and end this vlog now. Cause I really have to go to sleep. So yeah, see you all next time.